Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide any token within your account on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your secret recovery phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, right within your homepage, there will be various different tokens that will be visible, including the ones that you have bought as well. Now, if you wish to hide these tokens from your list, go ahead and tap on Manage Token List right within the homepage. From here, you will see all of the tokens that are visible within your homepage. You can tap on the toggle button at the right side in order to turn off these toggles, and all of the tokens for which you have turned off the toggle will now not be visible anymore within your profile. And you can change this at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide tokens from your account on Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.